in today's video, we are making crystallised ginger. So the first thing you want to do is peel your ginger. Now chop up the pieces into small slices. So now I'm going to pop it into a pan and cover it with water and put it on a boil. So the ginger's now boiling. I'm going to drain it and repeat the process 2 times. You're going to want to keep this water to make a nice herbal tea or your own ginger beer. So with the ginger water, I'm going to make some ginger ice cubes so that I can make herbal tea even when I haven't got fresh ginger. So I've just drained it. Now I'm going to add in 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water and a pinch of salt. I'm going to bring it to a boil and it should turn into a syrup. So this has been cooking for around 20 minutes and as you can see, it's a lovely syrup. The ginger should have softened now after all the cooking. I'm going to drain it and coat it in sugar. So you can use this ginger syrup for baking or making your own drinks, anything like that really. Don't get rid of any of it. So you can coat it in any sugar that you like. I'm just using granulated sugar. These are really good to put on top of cakes or in with your cereal, or you can just eat it if you've got nausea. So there we have it, our crystallised ginger.